The right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tonneau cover, towing package, traction control, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.